So in this one, we are going to find the area of this triangle without figuring out what the height is. As a matter of fact, we can't figure out the height on this triangle. So remember, the new area formula was 1/2 BC times the sine of A. So if I'm going to set up my triangle with the information I know, I could call this B and this C. Angle A is the included angle, or the one that is formed by those two sides. So using triangle sum theorem, I get the measure of angle A is 60 degrees. So the area of the triangle is 1/2 times 120 times 132.8 times the sine of 60. So for that, I got about 6,900.490 square meters. Now, when you're rounding to 3 decimal places, if, for example, this was an 8, 9, 5, or 6, it rounds up to 90, you have to keep that 0 there to show me that you did round to the appropriate decimal. And our last example, we've got this fun word problem. All right, so we're starting out on a bike ride. We've got a triangular shaped trail, funny enough. The first leg is a 6-kilometer ride. And then it says the biker turns 283 degrees to the left and keeps biking. Once again, turning 269 degrees to the left, gets back where he or she started. So how long is the race? The first thing we need to do, of course, is find the angles inside the triangle. So taking 360 and subtracting 283, we get 77 degrees. Taking 360 and subtracting 269, we get 91 degrees. And using the triangle sum theorem, our third angle is 12 degrees. So my picture is real accurate here. Now we can use law of sines to solve for the side lengths. So we'll need x and y. So I'm going to start again with the angle and side pair that I know. Sine of 91 over 6 equals, and I can solve for either one of them first. So we'll do x, sine of 12 over x. Cross multiplying and dividing, I'm going to go through this quickly since we've already seen a couple of these. We would have 6 times the sine of 12 divided by the sine of 91. So x is approximately 1.248. Same setup to solve for y. So I am going to use sine of 91 over 6 again because there was no rounding for that one. Equals sine of 77 over y. Cross multiplying and dividing. Y is 6 times the sine of 77 over the sine of 91, or approximately 5.847. So the question was, how long is the entire trail? So we find the perimeter of our triangle. 6 plus 5.847 plus 1.248 gives us a total trail length of 13.095 kilometers. Your U-Try questions on this word problem: set up your picture carefully, make sure that you have your information labeled correctly, and you have to find some additional information in order to answer the question. So you can't directly find the height of the building. You have to find a different side length in order to then use that to find the height of the building. It's a little bit challenging, but I know you can do it.